Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're gonna do an unboxing and hands-on with a new fitness tracker from Timex in India, the Helix Gusto HRM. So Helix Gusto is available in two variants. One is without the heart rate sensor. So the one we have right now is the Helix Gusto with the heart rate monitoring. That's HRM is included. Now we're gonna do a quick unboxing. We'll show you the features and we'll show you what all features it has when compared to other fitness trackers available in India. So let's see the box package. So it has a very simple box package. So you can see the Helix Gusto HRM mentioned here, and it is from Timex. Now the back of the box does not have any other option. So it is priced 2295. That's 2,300 rupees in India. And it's made by Timex, and this is the fitness tracker. And let's just open this. So there you go, you can see that fitness tracker. So these are the features here: step pedometer, sleep monitor, SMS alert, and heart rate sensor. So we'll just take this out from the box package. So there you go, that's the Timex Helix Gusto. So the color we have right now is the aqua color, and this is the strap looks quite good. The material finishing of the strap is pretty good. It's a solid construction and it is durable as well. It is pretty strong in terms of the build quality. Now this is the band. Now there is a heart rate sensor at the back of the band, so we'll just show you that as well. So that's the heart rate sensor, and this is the Helix branding here. Now to charge the fitness tracker, so what you need to do is you need to just pull it out from here. So there you go, you can just pull it out from the strap, and you have the standard USB charging mechanism, so you can plug this into any laptop or power bank to charge this one. So this has a 90 mAh battery, and some of the features include there is pedometer, distance measuring, calories, messages, reminder, sleep monitoring, then we have the heart rate sensor, and Bluetooth 4.0 is the support. Then you also get incoming call alert, and you can also disconnect the incoming call with this. Then apart from that, it has a 0.78 inches OLED display, so that's the display, and a single point touch, that's the bottom section is where you touch. Then it also is supported on Android 4.4 and above, and iOS support is also included. So now talking about the fitness tracker, so you can see that this is the main interface where we have this clock, and you can see the battery percentage, and you can see the steps tracking, the calories burned, and the distance covered is available in the home screen. So just tap on this and you get the steps tracking, so the kilometer you walked, then calories you have burned. Then going to the health, if you just press and hold in the health, we have this heart rate sensor, and you can see that HRM works, and this is the beats per minute for the heart. Then if you go further, you can see there is a sleep tracking available. Then sports mode is there. So sports mode, if you just press and hold, we have the walking mode, running, cycling, basketball, tennis, and badminton are included. There is also climbing mode included, football. So these are the sports modes. So there is no swimming support here. So just like other fitness trackers, it comes with loaded with a lot of features for sports mode. And if you're a person who loves to play a lot of sports, so then this definitely helps in that. Then you also have the incoming messages. Then call alert is there. If you go to the more, we have the find my phone option, then about, reset, and power off options are there. So these are the options included in the fitness tracker. So now in terms of the features, it has a heart rate monitor, 0.96 inches color displays, and OLED display. Camera control is there, we'll talk about that in a while. Then phone finder, incoming call reminder, and call disconnect features. Then you can actually have the WhatsApp and Facebook notifications. And battery life is up to 15 days standby time, and it is also IP67 water and dust resistant, so it can also be used for swimming. Even though there is no dedicated swimming mode, it can be used for swimming, and there is also sleep tracking available. So this is priced 2295, that's 2,300 rupees in India. Now this also has the connectivity with the Timex app, the Helix app. So we'll just show you that Helix app as well. So right now we are connected the app to the fitness tracker. You can see that all the details are available here. So the steps taken, everything in detail. You can see if you just go here, you can see that for daily, weekly, monthly and yearly what all steps you have taken, then calories you have burned, everything can be found from here. Then there is a profile, and if you go to the display settings, you can see that there is find my band and find the location. I mean, set the location where you're wearing. There's left hand or right hand, alarm alert, the notification alert. If you go, we have a notification for calls, SMS, WhatsApp and Facebook included. Then there is camera control. That's something which is quite interesting. So right now we have just selected the camera. So this is the rear camera. Now what you need to do is you just tap on this icon, and what it does is it will show an option on your band, that is photoing is the option. So what you need to do is just click on this button. So we'll just show you, and this will take pictures with your phone. So you can use this as a remote for taking pictures on your phone. So you can use this to take pictures on your phone. So you can remotely control this with the phone. So this is the photoing app. That's the remote camera control on the Timex Helix Gusto. So that's the Timex Helix Gusto fitness tracker. Looks pretty cool, 2,300 rupees, and you get 15 days battery life. So that's the battery life which they claim. But again, it all depends upon how much notifications you get. If you get a lot of notifications, you may not get the entire 15 days, but anywhere between 10 to 15 days could be achievable with this band. And it also is IP67 water and dust resistant. So that was the Timex Helix Gusto HRM fitness tracker, and we are also giving away one Helix Gusto fitness tracker. This is the one we are giving away. So in case you want to participate on the giveaway, follow the instruction in the description of this video, and you can win one Helix Gusto Timex fitness tracker, which is priced 2,300 rupees. So that's it for this video. This is Number signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.